We'll guide you through how to set up your Wix business email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and locate the Mailboxes tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to start the setup process. You'll see an option that says Get a Business Email. Click on that and you'll be directed to select a plan. Wix offers different plans based on your needs, so choose the one that suits your business best. Once you've selected your plan, you'll need to connect your domain. Make sure you have your domain registered with Wix or connected through a third-party provider. If it's not already connected, you'll have to verify your domain ownership by adding a DNS record. Follow the instructions provided by Wix to complete this step. After verifying your domain, you can start creating your business email. Enter the desired email address you want, like info or contact, and then choose your domain from the drop-down menu. Click Continue and confirm your selection. Next, you'll be prompted to set a password for your new email account. Make sure it's strong and secure. Once that's done, Wix will set up your business email, which might take a few minutes. You can access your email via the Wix dashboard or use an email client like Outlook or Gmail to manage it. If you want to use an email client, you'll need the server settings, which can be found in the Mailboxes tab under Email Settings. Copy those settings and follow the steps in your email client to add your Wix email account. And there you have it. Your Wix business email is all set up and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.